Hello everyone. I'm going to start new series called Habits for Success. In that I will share with you one habit every week so you can implement in your life and achieve your goals. So let's go. This is another valley I'm here. It's like a forest. Hello everyone. Everyone want to accomplish something. Why you are studying? Why you are working? Why you are eating? Because everyone wants something, right? You want to be happy, you want to get success in your life. So there is only one key point if you want to success in your life. Without that you cannot success. And the one point is discipline. Anyone can use this habit. If you want to get good score in your exam, if you want to get good job, if you want to learn new skill, if you want to be healthy, if you want to be happy, anyone can apply this habit in their life and be successful. Any task you get, if you are not disciplined, you will not get success. You will make plan, you will start your business or anything, but if you are not disciplined enough, you will be failed. If you want to gain muscle, you need to do exercise. If you want to be healthy, you need to eat healthy food. If you want to get job, you need to apply job every day. So anything you do, you need to decide and be disciplined on that. All successful people like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, everyone are successful because they were disciplined. So how can you be disciplined? What you need to do, decide any particular thing like you wanna eat healthy food. You can decide I will do exercise 1 hour every day for next 30 days. You can decide I'm not going to use my phone after 10 p.m. every day. You can decide I'm going to sleep every day 10 p.m. for next 30 days. And just use this habit in your life. Decide anything. If you are looking for a job, just decide you will apply 10 job every day. You have to discipline, you have to apply every day 10 jobs anyhow. If you want to be build your muscle, just do exercise every day. Like you have to decide. So if you decide anything is not enough, you have to be disciplined on that. If you learn only this one key point in your life, you will be successful. So what you need to do, decide something, start from one step, start one point or one thing at a time and do every day. Just be disciplined. Discipline brings stability and structure into a person's life. If there were no discipline, people would do whatever they wanted and make mistakes without putting the consideration of others first and foremost. It promotes good human behavior to better society and make it a more enjoyable place for everyone to live. Because of discipline, you can live peacefully and respectfully in the society. Whenever we see any kind of video, like somebody is doing exercise, they have good body, and you will like, I'm going to start exercise. And after 3-4 days, you will like lazy, I can't wake up early, I can't do this. So anything, if you want to start, is very easy, but if you want to be successful, you need to be consistent. So if you are not disciplined enough, you will not reach there. This is like a skill you can do every day and learn. You can learn this habit in your life and you can get success. All the successful people knows the importance of discipline. That's the reason they are successful. So you should implement in your life. It's not very easy. You can do every day and learn every day. It's never too late. So start from now, do every day, be disciplined. I'm not here to give you advice. I'm also in with you. I'm reminding myself as well that if you are not disciplined enough, you will not get success in your life. If you are thinking about to start YouTube channel or anything, You have to decide that I'm going to do every day, or I'm going to upload every week one video or two video. You have to be disciplined. It's raining right now, and I can stay home and rest, but I'm committed that I'm going to upload two video every week. So I'm just here out and recording the video. Half of 2020 is gone, and I know it was difficult for us last 6 months, but we can use this habit in our life, and we can use effectively next 6 months, and we can get success. I really appreciate for watching my video. So please like and subscribe my channel so you don't miss any video.